In the previous video, we talked about to work on yourself, and how do you work on yourself is something that I'll be discussing today. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita Bahuguna and I'm back with my Unbox Entrepreneurship. Unbox Entrepreneurship is all about skill development and business creation. And for both the things, we need to work on ourselves. We need to keep improving ourselves. Now, how do we improve ourselves? How do we work on ourselves? There are certain points that I'll be discussing in this video. Number one, have clarity. Clarity of thoughts, work and purpose. What do you want? What are your values? What you want to do? This is something that you must clearly define for yourself before you move ahead to accomplish a goal. Before you work, you must clearly define what you want to do and why you want to do. Does that works in accordance to the values that you have? Do you have a clear sense of direction, or you are just working to get it done? At times I've seen people, they just do the work, they keep on doing the work and they never get where they want to reach because they have not defined where they want to reach. If you define your destination, you define your direction, you'll be able to reach your destination in a proper manner. And this is something which is required. This is something that you need to define the first. Clearly define every goal, destination, direction, values for yourself. Now, once you have defined these, the next step is to take a decision. The difference between the successful and unsuccessful people is not that the successful people have made right decisions, but the difference is they made the decisions and then they made their decisions right. Whereas the unsuccessful people are the ones who were indecisive. They were never able to make a decision. The small difference between whether to go left or right is something they never able to achieve. They always look at others for the decision. And those who look on others for the decision are the people who are indecisive, who will never reach their success, who will never reach their destination. So once you have clearly defined your destination and direction, you need to make a decision to work. Now, the third thing that you need to be successful is competence. The 5% people who are successful in their life are the people who are competent, who get excellence. They commit to be excellent and they work to be excellent. They are the best and they become the better next day. They do the best and they become better the next day. They continuously work on themselves and keep on staying ahead of all. Google is the best example of all the search engines that are there. They work and they keep ahead of everyone. And that is why they sustain for such a long time and they have made everything dependent on them. If I ask you to name one more search engine, maybe you'll take some time. But the first thing that comes to your mind is Google. If you need to go somewhere and you need to find the direction, you look for Google Map. Why? Because Google has continuously worked on competence and has managed to be excellent every time. So if you want to be successful, you need to have excellence in yourself. Hope the three things would help you to be successful in your journey of careers. Be happy, be entrepreneurial and live the life of abundance. If you wish to continue your journey of unboxing more entrepreneurship with us, keep liking, subscribing and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families and fellows. Thank you.